Hello, sixth graders. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend and a great day today. Today for social studies, you're going to continue working on researching the battles of the Civil War in this timeline that we started in class. So none of this should be anything new for you. We have done the first couple battles in class. Your job is to continue with it. So right now you should have Fort Sumter done. And if you're not sure what I'm looking at, this will be in your notability. I know this because I've seen it in all of your notabilities. Just look for the one that says Chapter 8, Target 2, Life During the Civil War. So you should have the Battle of Fort Sumter done with what life was like for Charlie in the 1st Minnesota. You should have done the Battle of Bull Run and what the Bull Run experience was like for Charlie, and then the 4 boxes below. You in class should have gotten done the Battle of Antietam, along with what that battle was like for Charlie at 17, and then the 4 boxes. And at this point, on Friday, or on Thursday rather, you should have had the Emancipation Proclamation started. If you're not complete with it, it should be started and finished. With this one, you're looking at, instead of Charlie, you're looking at a gentleman by the name of Robert Hickman and his journey to freedom and what that was like for him during that time period in Minnesota. So you'd finish that, do the boxes, move on to the Battle of Gettysburg, fill out some basic information about Gettysburg, what was life like for Charlie at 18, and then the surrender at Appomattox. And then on this one, on 8.19, fill in your keywords and your summaries. Now to find this information, you're simply going to go to these events here. And whatever event you're on, so let's say I'm going to do the Battle of Gettysburg. I'm just going to tap on the Battle of Gettysburg. There's the video, the website. Those two things will help you fill in the top portion. Let me find Gettysburg here. The top portion here. If you don't get it from the video, use the website to find the rest of the information and the importance of the battle. Once you're done with that, you're going to go down to right here. It says Charlie at 18. Tap on this link and it'll bring you to the textbook. You'll have to go find Chapter 8. And then from that point, if it makes you sign in, you have the username and password right here. It's 284952, and the password is city. And that's where you can find any page you need for completing the Minnesota perspective on the notes. Once you're done with the note-taking guide for that, you can check your understanding. There's some Kahoots there for you to play, just for kind of a fun way to check your understanding. If you don't want to, you do not have to do the Kahoots, but I do expect you to have this all completed by the time you come back on Wednesday to school. Now, the reason why I expect you to have it completed is because you should really have 4 of them done because we had class time, if you were using your class time wisely. So there should be 2 left. Take you anywhere from maybe 20 to 25 minutes to complete those. Please email me if you have questions throughout the day. I'll be around my computer every now and then. Feel free to email me with any questions. And then we'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day, and excited to see you guys back at school.